last did you visit Awka? Can you remember what it looked like? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Hello my people, Ndevono. This is Abby of Southeast, and in today's video I'll take you on a tour through Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, in March 2024, but this time from a bird's eye point of view. Awka is constantly developing and some major changes have been made to the landscape over time. So please just sit tight, watch closely and see which places you can recognize. So my people, this is what Awka looks like in March 2024. I know you have been pleasantly surprised, as I have been, to see the development so far. Now let me ask, which of those places can you recognize? Let me know in the comment section.